Hi, I'm Frank, the low-carb cocktail guy, and today, if you can't figure it out, we're doing some more Tiki. Omar, the owner of Oakwash Ceramics, makes amazing Tiki mugs, if you can see for yourself. But he's also recently started doing Tiki bowls. He and I were chatting, and he decided to let me take one for a test spin. And this one is like really neat. So you're gonna have your Tiki bowl, but instead of having your little thing set in the middle to put your little flame on and everything, it's separate. So you have a separate, I guess you call a shot glass, or whatever you want to do with this, to set on top of the drink. I think this is ingenious. Absolutely love this thought. So we're gonna go ahead and make a scorpion bowl. Now, if you're not familiar with a scorpion bowl, that's a whole shit ton of booze and juices, big enough for 2 to 4 people. There's a couple different versions of this recipe. The first one was from Trader Vic in 1941. And then in 1958, Steve Crane, the owner of the Luau, was also an actor, did some B films back in the 40s. He decided to take Trader Vic's Scorpion Bowl and put his own spin on it. Then after that, Martin Cate, the owner of Smuggler's Cove, decided to put a spin on that one. They're all really good. I decided to take my own little spin on it myself. I'm just kind of tweaking the flavors that I like for myself. Now, you can find the 1941 recipe from Trader Vic and Steve Kane's recipe in the Beach Bum Berries Remix book. Great book. I'll leave a link below. You can grab this on Amazon. And Smuggler's Cove, Martin Cate's book. They're great recipes. So what I did is I took all 3 recipes, messed around with the ratios a little bit till I found something that I was happy with. And the other ones are delicious. They're amazing. They're great cocktails. Don't get me wrong. You know, it's not I'm trying not to be sacrilegious in saying that mine's better than theirs, because it's not. It's just my flavors that I like better with my ratios that I like for me. And if you like this one, go ahead and try this one. And if you pick up one of those books, absolutely try one of their recipes as well. So enough chitter chatter, jibber jabber, let's get making a big ass drink. So this is gonna be a flash blended drink, so I have my party blender. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll build everything in a large tin. So we're gonna start with 3 ounces of Simply Light orange juice. That's gonna be 1.5 grams of carbs per ounce, 4.5 grams of carbs in this entire drink. And if you're splitting with someone else, that's only 2.5 carbs. And by the way, that's the only carbs. Next, I'm gonna go with 1/2 ounce of a lime oleo citrate. And after that, we're gonna do a lemon oleo citrate. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description to Kevin Cost's website where he has a super juice calculator. I live and die by that thing. It is so simple. The math is there for you. You just click in how much appeals weigh and it tells you everything else. The only thing I don't do is I don't put the juice back into it afterwards. So we're gonna go with 1 ounce of a lemon juice, or like I said, lemon oleo citrate. Next, 1 ounce of a simple syrup, RX sugar, of course, and 1 ounce of an orgeat. In my past videos, I've used Monen's sugar-free almond syrup, but make it yourself. It's so much better. It's just you take almond milk and you take some allulose and a little bit of orange blossom water, put it all together, you got orgeat. Steve the bartender is where I got this easy little recipe from. Give credit where credit is due. It tastes so much better than Monen's almond syrup. So next we're gonna do 1 ounce of brandy. All I have is E&J. Don't be hating on me, booze snobs, I'm sorry. 2 ounces of gin. I'm probably gonna polish off. Yeah. My 7.3 barrel rested gin, love this stuff. And next for the rum. It calls for a light Puerto Rican style rum. Believe it or not, I don't have any. I don't have any. So what I do have is I have sugar fields, and it is done in a column still with that kind of Spanish kind of influence behind the way they make it. So it's really light, refreshing. And we're doing 6 ounces of this. It's 2, 4, and 6. Now we're gonna do 8 ounces of some crushed ice in our blender. Put this in. And we're just gonna pulse it for about 5-10 seconds. We're gonna add some ice into our bowl. We're gonna pour our drink into the bowl. Put some ice into the Kakamoa head. Pour some more in here. So basically, whoever finishes this first gets the last bit of it in a shot. All right, and then you check and make sure that I could probably fit a little bit more ice in here. Once a little dilution started happening. We're gonna garnish that with a couple of quarter of oranges and a quarter of lime. And we're gonna set that little Kakamoa head in the center. Be very careful because we're about to light this shit on fire. Get yourself a little half spent lime. Put a little sugar cube in it. Don't eat the sugar cube. It's not keto friendly. You put your 2 straws in it. And let's light this shit up with any good flaming cocktail. You're gonna throw a little bit of cinnamon on top. Whoa, yeah, baby. And now you have the scorpion bowl. Blow that out. Let it cool a minute. Let's put that aside. And let's have some scorpion bowl. Man, that's absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Like I said, the recipe I followed was a variation of 3 different scorpion bowl recipes. All 3 of those, they're delicious. They're absolutely delicious. Mine is not better than theirs, but man, this is delicious too. Play with your ratios, see how you like it. Out of the 3, I think I like Steve Crane's the best. I like that gin and brandy pairing that it has with it, with those ratios, but this one's good too. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you'd like to support me more, I do have a Patreon page, and it would really, really help me out if you kind of at least browsed around and take a look at it, consider it, because booze ain't cheap. Booze ain't cheap, man. So guys, y'all have a great day. Thank y'all for watching, because after this scorpion bowl, I'm probably drinking by myself. I'll be having a great day too. See you later.